10th Street and McDowell Street, serving Trinity Episcopal School.
You know what? I'm not cut off. Every time she did something, she never did it. You know, so whatever. How she act like she saw it?
Now approaching McDowell Street and 7th Street. Transferred to routes 4 and 17, serving the Little Rock AME Zion Church. Stop requested. Now approaching 7th Street and Davidson Street. Transferred to routes 3, 4, 17, and 23, serving Carroll Hospital Center and First Ward Recreation Center. Now approaching Davidson Street and Trade Street. Transferred to local and Boulder service, serving Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department, Federal Reserve Bank, and Old City Hall. Now approaching Davidson Street and 4th Street, serving the Charlotte Mecklenburg Government Center. Now approaching Uptown Transportation Center, serving Time Warner Cable Arena. Transfer to local and express bus routes. Lynx Blue Line service is located on 2nd floor. For your safety, please remember to cross in designated crosswalks and not in front or behind buses. Please hold on while the bus is moving and do not cross in front of a stopped bus.
Sujétese mientras el autobús se mueve y no cruce por delante de un autobús detenido.